What's up, guys? Welcome back, Techie Life. And today we got a box opening for this VIVITAR Aeroview video drone. This came from Walmart. It was about $50. It was on clearance. Originally $129.99, and because of the whole Christmas thing, it went on clearance. And so Walmart, at least over here where I'm at in Texas, we have quite a few of these. I actually bought one of these to sell online, and then I bought one for myself to see what how cool this is. This is my first drone, by the way. I've never owned one, and I know I'm not expecting too much from this, but I'm kind of excited just to see what actually makes a drone here. So here, first of all, we have it says auto hover. We have Wi-Fi app control, GPS, location lock, follow me mode, one key return, HD camera, follow me feature via app, and real-time video, I guess, from your cell phone. Let's see here. We got this guy that's happy. Anyways, we have a, let's see, quadcopter drone, which is 4 fans, 2.4 gigahertz RC series, 4-channel controller. It's got a lithium polymer battery, 7 volts, 7.4, USB charger, removable phone stand, user manual, GPS navigation 2.4, Wi-Fi amp control, follow me technology, HD live video feed, real-time transmission, real-time viewing, GPS tracking, approximately 10-minute flight time, and range of 1,000 feet. So that's going to be pretty interesting, and I'm kind of excited to try out here. So first off, let's go ahead and cut the little tape off here. So the tape is off. Oh, where did I knock over? Lift these flaps up. Oh, we got styrofoam. And the drone is this way, so let's So we have a user manual. Okay. User manual and probably some other stickers and whatnot. Oh, that goes in the remote control probably. So let's see. Let me set this aside. Got some batteries. 4 AA batteries. We got a lithium polymer battery. We have, I'm guessing this is the control or the phone holder. The camera here. Well, this is kind of cheap, his camera. It feels really cheap here. But we'll see what we can do with this. Interesting. Let me get my blade here. Looks like they provide us with 2 sets, or 1 extra set of propeller fins. We have 4 propeller guards here. I'm not too sure what these are. Oh, I guess these are the legs, the stands that's for the drone there. Can use that. And oh, we have the remote control in the back here. And let me remove this junk. There's one. Let's go ahead and put this up here. hate the sound of styrofoam. Alright, so first off, this is pretty light. This is very, I mean, I can have a scale here. I can measure how light it is. Let's see here. So let me lay it down. So bare naked, this is actually 1.02 pounds. So it's basically 1 pound. Excuse me. I guess, let's see, after the camera, that's 1.2 after the camera, and the propeller guards that probably won't use, and the stand. It's 3 ounces, and then the battery here. We're looking at 7 ounces, so about 1.7 pound, or 1.7. Not bad. It's right under 2 pounds, or a pound and a half. Let's just say that. But this is pretty cool. So we got, I guess, this antennas here for the transmission of the propeller guards here. So it looks like we had to put these stickers on. And interesting. We got buttons here. We need a little small screwdriver to open that. We got some more buttons here. Slow, medium, high. I guess that's the propeller itself. And it looks like this is where this phone mount goes here. Let's see if I can add that. I guess it goes something like this. Okay, so there we go. So something like this, I guess. We can put our phone in there and have some fun, and then we can watch whatever we're doing. So it's not bad. I mean, considering that this is only $50, this is not bad at all. Battery compartment here. That's where the lithium polymer battery goes. Pretty cool. Pretty interesting. Camera here. Looks like we have some plugs in the bottom. It says, what does it say? 2 machine, or what does that say? I can't really see what it says. Out. It's like backwards. TUO machine. And yeah, okay. Sure. So I'm gonna try to. I mean, I know this isn't the best one or whatever, but I'm gonna see if I can just deck it out just for the sakes of it. I like modifying things, make them cooler or flashier, faster or whatnot. This one has little rubbers on there. I guess that'll help with the stabilization of some sort. This camera is very cheap though. It's like really plasticky. There's no way that's HD. But if possible, I'm gonna try to make my own phone mount. Or make my own maybe GoPro or something mount to where I can put a better camera and fly with it, whatnot. Anyways, well, I'll let you know how this goes. Maybe I'll do some shots later on or whatever. But so now this is all I want to show y'all. Just the unboxing and the initial review of this $50 machine. So if y'all like it, comment please. If you don't, comment still. Like or share, dislike, whatever you want. Just let me know what's up. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Laters.